Hello guys and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to learn more about Fiverr in the learning resources section. So all you have to do is to switch your profile to the selling area. So you click on, once you log into your profile, you click on this question mark in a circle section. This is help and resources. So once you click on it, it should bring us to a, yes, if we would have all of these: Fiverr blog, Fiverr forum, help center. So in case you're having any difficulty, you can go to the help center. You can also ask the community, or you can contact the support. But since you want to learn more about Fiverr, click on the Fiverr blog to see the latest trend on that. Or you can also go to the website community.fiverr.com. You can join Fiverr community. You can engage in the forum, you can see the clubs, and you can check out the more section if you want to really delve deeper into all that Fiverr has to offer. So in the blog section about Fiverr, you'd see a whole lot of articles and case study from different um, people, so you can just go through them or see what works, see what interests you, and just click on it. So this is how to actually um, go on Fiverr's blog and check the latest trend.